Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light. You and I'll be safe and sound.
Maybe it's just the way we were, maybe it's just the way I am. Maybe it's that feeling every time I got to hold your hand. I know that's cheesy, but I just want you to understand the memories are there, even if you forgot how we danced. Hurt feelings, numb nights, you know it's all the same. If love's an endless battle, why'd we play it like a game? It takes two to play, so how am I to blame? I gave you everything and all you did was fade away. You wanted love, you gave me hurt, and it hurt more to make it work. You were a chapter in my life, I was a line in yours. We went through hell and back just for you to get me back. And after all of that, take a glance on where that left us at. So go ahead, pretend the rest of your life. Hide behind all of that makeup with those heels too tight. When you realize what you want is buried deep inside, I'll look deep into your eyes and say we'll be alright.
Just close your eyes. The sun is going down. You'll be alright. No one can hurt you now. Come morning light. You and I'll be safe and sound.
When we split, I almost lost it. Held our picture, dropped it. Tears, I couldn't stop it. Were the epitome of toxic, like the hurt's not enough. Don't tell me the things that you missed. Why you keep saying love when you don't know what that is? But honestly, you're an addiction that no rehab can fix. And to be real, I have no clue of what all of this is. Cause one moment I'm done, then I don't know how to word it. Cause what's broken can't be fixed, but what's fixed isn't worth it. So I guess this is that moment where I say that goodbye. Maybe it's not the happy endings, but the way that we tried. Not the drowning of the lies, but the reasons we lied. The special moments where we saw that love in each other's eyes. But go ahead, pretend what we had wasn't real. That these other guys could understand the way that